Hi guys! Happy watching! Maraming salamat po sa ating mga tagapanood ng ating video. Ayan po guys, i-share ko po sa inyo ngayon in this video na naglakad po ako sa pagkatapos ko po ng aking work, at panoorin po ninyo ang ating linibot sa video na to. Ayan guys, so nung umalis ako, when I finished my work, so I had to go out because it's too early for me to go to bed, so still have time. So I asked my employer if I can go for a walk, and she said yes. At ito, sinamantala ko naman po ang habang may oras pa, nag-video ako, same as usual. Ayan po yung view ng Disneyland Hong Kong, at saka yung Kowloon area, at saka sa Central area dito po sa Hong Kong. Pero ito po, nasa tabi na ito, part po yan ng island, Discovery Bay. Yan guys, so please watch until the end. At nasa tabi po tayo ng dagat as usual. Diyan po tayo naglalakad, at marami po dyan naglalakad, families, ganyan. Kasi ang oras po dyan is, if I'm not mistaken, is magsi 7 o'clock po at night, 7 p.m. po. And I am watching the splash of the water out from the seaside. Ayan po guys, nature sounds, ASMR hashtag. Yeah, so I had been here for like a few minutes to take this video, and then I will go further more to the anong tawag doon, basta yung dinadaanan na yun. Yeah, I'm trying to make English voice over because some of our friends is won't understand my language, Ilocano and Tagalog. So I guess we have few as like Miss Kayak, Sir Darren Dodson, sino pa yung mga English dito, basta yung mga yun, and they won't really understand, at mahirap naman po yung mag-google pa sila. Sure. Ayan, so bakit ang tagal ko dyan? Yeah, and I guess it takes me first like a few minutes to stay here to just take the sounds of nature. At yan po, nag-sunset na po siya. That is sunset. I hope I take the right angle of the video. Those are the buildings from the mountain. It's not from the mountain anyway. It's down the mountain. Yeah, but in our place is very nice talaga. Yeah. This area is the swimming pool area there. Pero I don't want to take a video over there kasi maybe somebody won't like that I am taking a video while they were swimming. Maybe they are going to say that I am taking a videos with them. So yeah, and that is the blue sky. So on that time, I'm already walking, going to the other end of the seaside. Yan. And that area that's showing now is the ferry from Central. That is the Discovery Bay ferry. Yeah, it's almost there in the ferry pier, so I need to catch it. So on that area from those lights is yeah, on that one is in Central. I didn't show it, so yeah, this the very thing one, the one in the middle, which is the one that has the running light, that is that building, the big building, is not the blinking in the water, because that one blinking in the water is the fisherman light guide. So that building, the one in there, had the running light over there. That building, that is called the Sky 100. Yeah, and this part is the one which I always show to you guys at daytime. Those trees is a very nice shape. They have a very nice shape, yeah. And that is the Disneyland Hong Kong. I cannot focus it because my phone's camera is not really that good, but I'm trying to, right? Yeah, I hope you guys like the video, and yeah, for the content, for updating my channel. Yeah, I had tried to focus it, but it's not really that good, so I'm sorry for that. I hope I can give you a good video to watch, but I guess I can't. I had tried, but it really won't work. Yeah, because my phone is just only a local one. Yeah, siguro yung may mga nakikinig na dyan sa akin na OA-an na kayo sa akin, but yeah, makinig na lang kayo. Diba? Kinig-kinig na lang dyan. Huwag na lang kayong magalit sa akin, no? If that is my personality. Big love shout out everyone. Allbirds Discovery Bay, Hong Kong. Yan po yung nag-iisang hotel dito sa Discovery Bay. And we are now heading to the South Plaza area. Ito pong building na mga to is yung may mga inaupahan po yan na may mga dentist, may mga Chinese shop, yung mga ganyan, yung mga ispa-ispa, mga church, ganyan. At dito naman po ay yung parang plaza nga ito. O, yan na yung kainan time. Yung ano yan, mga bars, ayan, coffee shop, restaurant, yan. So, yung mga nasa Hong Kong, try to come here, visit in Discovery Bay. Maganda po yan dito. So, here we go again. So, yan. This will be the part of the video that almost end. Maraming salamat po sa inyo mga panonood dyan. And have a good time. And yeah. Thank you so much. God bless. Bye-bye.